Ever wondered where you can get a clear, trustworthy snapshot of your car's vehicle health card instantly? Welcome to Factful Fridays. In today's episode, we'll walk you through where you can access your car's vehicle health card after your car's service. Let's dive into the trusted channels that provide your car's vehicle health card quickly and transparently. To keep your car's vehicle health card right at your fingertips, download the Maruti Suzuki app from the Play Store or App Store, or simply scan the QR code appearing on your screen. Your car's vehicle health card is always just a tap away in the top actions section of the Maruti Suzuki app. And whenever you need it, you can access it instantly by simply following the steps displayed on your screen. Ensure to discuss your Maruti Suzuki's health report with your service advisor today. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop to get your car's complimentary vehicle health card with periodic vehicle servicing. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay tuned, stay informed. See you next Friday.